Alright, I'm super excited to be giving you an early first look at the brand new MacBook Air M2. I am beyond excited, honestly. Wow, that's strong. Beyond excited to be checking this out. That's a beauty. Pretty interesting first thing that I'm checking out is that there's no plastic whatsoever and you literally just open it. So we're going straight at it. Alright, the one that Apple sent me over is the new Midnight color in 512 gigabytes. It also comes in Starlight now, which, you know, I'm very curious to see how that one looks as well. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. Oh wow, that's kind of interesting, this new circle plastic paper thing. Before we check out the new color, and wow, this thing is pretty light. All right, immediately, the first thing that I see is the new braided cable, which is something that I loved on the new iMacs. You know, if you got the yellow iMac, you got a yellow cable. And this is happening again now with the MacBook Air. Since I got the midnight color, we get this beautiful braided cable, which in fact, yes, MagSafe is back now on the MacBook Airs, which is, you know, a stress reliever, honestly. Like if you're passing by, if you've got a bunch of kids or brothers or a clumsy wife or girlfriend, yes, I'm talking to you, this might save your computer. All right, what else do we get on the box? We got designed by Apple in California, as usual. You guys know what's in here, the paperwork, and Midnight Apple stickers. That's kind of beautiful. And we got the paperwork as usual. I gotta show you what's in the box. But anyways, we got Midnight stickers, which is pretty cool. What do you guys do with Apple stickers, by the way? Let me know. We get the power brick, and something interesting on this year's MacBook Air is that in fact it brings 2 ports this year. So you might as well connect your MacBook Air with your iPhone, or you can connect your iPad all at the same time within the same size, which is pretty cool. Anyways, I know you guys came here to see the MacBook Air, so let's check out the new MacBook Air. Okay, and here is the new M2 MacBook Air wrapped with a non-plastic packaging. And here it is, 1, 2, and oh boy. Oh yeah. I mean, the first thing that I'm checking out is this new midnight color is absolutely stunning. Okay, first things that I gotta show you. MagSafe is now on the MacBook Air, and it looks so sleek with this braided cable. We get 2 USB-C port, Thunderbolt ports, and we get a headphone jack. Kind of upsetting, once again, that we do not get an SD card slot. That's an exclusive feature for the new MacBook Pro models, which, I mean, it should have been here. All right, let's open it. MacBook Air, this is the first time that it actually has the notch. So let's go ahead and actually check out the notch. And this is the most satisfying thing ever. Oh yeah. Man, this computer truly is sleek. This new redesigned corners, it's so incredibly light. And there's the notch, by the way. Apple has put the notch in the new MacBook Air to push the edges to its limits. It's telling me hello to me. Once again, man, this computer truly is extremely slick and extremely lightweight, and it's, I mean, one of the first times that I'm like, wow, at a MacBook. I mean, I had the new MacBook Pros, but this computer truly is, and truly has a lot of personality. It's just so thin. It's just so beautiful. These 13 inches, for me, it's perfect. We got Touch ID, no touch bar on the MacBook Airs, and yes, 25% lighter display. There's a bunch of stuff that I gotta tell you and that I'm gonna be telling you in my review. One thing that I'm noticing right away is that this new midnight color definitely gets very dirty and very easily with greasy hands. I mean, look at this. I've just been unboxing this and it's already pretty dirty. So this might be a reason not to get the midnight color instead of Starlight. But either way, I think getting it dirty is automatically worth it on how beautiful this thing is. Let me go ahead and compare it straight to the MacBook Air M1. This is the space gray, and as you guys can see, the logo has actually gotten a little bit larger. The previous generation MacBook Air M1, it went down, and this one, it's just perfectly squared. I prefer this design so much better. Everything is squared, it's way much more rounded, and it's actually lighter. Now go ahead and check out everything that you need to know. I did something crazy in the review.
100 times a day, yeah.